Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any Windows computer adjust screen brightness automatically. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here you can see I have a Windows computer. So if I go to the settings, that is the computer settings, and if I go to the system, and you can see here change brightness, but there is no options for automatic, that is for auto options, right? So it won't automatically adjust the screen brightness, so there is no options, there is no such options. So how you can get such screen brightness automatically option? So for this, what you need to do, you need to open the web browser, and in the Google search just search this application name as Gemi, and once you search this application you can just scroll down below and you can see here its official websites, Gemi adaptive brightness. Just click on it. Now once you open its website, you can see your download options. Just click on download, and here you can see a version for Windows 7, 8.1 and 10. Just click on it to download it. Now it's been downloading, so wait for a few seconds until the downloading gets complete. Finally, you can see the software has been downloaded. Now just let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close the web browser. Now you can see here zip file. Just double left click it to unzip it, just extract it. So after extracting, you can see one folder. So just open this folder. You can see one applications. So if you're using a Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, I will highly recommend to run it as administrator. So to do it, just right click it. You can see here run as administrator. Just click on it, click on yes. Now you can see the brightness has been dimmed now, so it is auto set. So you can see here increase and decrease the brightness. When I just minimize, you can see here, so it automatically adjusts the brightness. So once I open that folder again, so you can see here, so you can see it's adjusting. And if you want to auto adjust the temperature of the screen, then you can just click on auto, and if you turn off this, it will not auto adjust the temperature. You can do manually also if you wish to change the temperature of the screen from cool to warm. You can change the temperature, and if you want it to automatically change, then you can just turn it on. So if I just minimize this white file manager, and you can see it will just auto adjust the brightness. So if the screen brightness feels little dim or dark, then it will just adjust the brightness for you. So you don't need to do anything. If you just set on the auto brightness, then if you open such any bright programs, then it will auto adjust. You can see here it will just auto adjust itself. So using this cool software, you can make any Windows computer adjust screen brightness automatically. So if you never known about this cool and useful software, then definitely you should check it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.